walking into silence again. You pull up a chair without saying much, but somehow the room feels safe. You don't fix my flaws, you don't judge my thoughts, but you give me a place to be brave. You see the lines I draw around myself and step across them slow, like sunlight through the window. You help the shadows go. It's better with you here. When I stumble, you stay near. You don't need to lead the way. You just stand and let me find it. It's not just work, it's something more, like a lighthouse on this shore. I'd have given up, but now I rise, 'cause I've got trust by my side. You ask the kind of questions that open doors, and you never rush the reply. You make the room feel wide enough for both our truths to survive. You carry more than just your share, you carry people too. The kind of strength that says, I believe in you. It's better with you here. When I stumble, you stay near. You don't need to solve it all. You just show me I belong. It's not just goals, it's how we grow. The roots beneath the show. If I fall, I know who'll be there, with the light and the care. I used to think being good meant never breaking, but now I know better. It's trust, that sun's shaking. One hand held out, one voice saying try. That's the reason I reach, not the reason I hide. It's better with you here, through the chaos and the clear. Not a perfect plan, just an honest hand that reminds me why I stand. We're more than roles, we're more than names. We're the fire in the frame. The greatest gift I've found this year is you just being here. So if you ever feel like you don't quite belong, just know with you we're strong.